Jailbreak. Jesus. I'm putting down a plate box.
One down here.
Us on this other rock.
One down back here.
Okay, let's. Can you get up to us, Josh?
Oh!
Yeah, watch behind, guys.
Moving here.
Falling down to get out of the airstrike. Pretty fucked. Let's go on with that one. Yeah, eat a dick in.
No, I'm coming to fucking res, you dumbass. No, I'm not going to.
Oh, I thought you said we'll be alright.
No. I said where they
Where
are.
are they?
Oh, I marked them. Sorry. They're down by soccer field. I couldn't hear it. I was getting airstruck. Sorry.
We got a whole bunch of guys above parachuting in on us here.
Let them drop.
Oh, there's a loadout up there. That's what's going on.
Fucking way more.
Nice, God. Yeah. That's
Oh my
three.
gosh, so many guys. So
More to
many
left,
guys.
Scott.
Fuck.
Can't reload fast enough. Throw grenades, Scotty.
Behind. Careful, there might be a guy close to you behind. Oh, that's the guys. You got him.
Fuck.
Anyone got Muni?
Oh, fuck, buddy.
There's still guys fighting up here by the loadout.
I gotta slide down for the airstrike.
Holy shit, Scott, you're a beast. Fucking A, buddy.
They were all fucking. There was fucking 20 of them lined up in front of me.
You're just clicking them off. It was amazing.
Tim, can you drop a drill charge?
We're not safe here yet.
I had a plate.
Over here to the left, on my ping.
Yep.
Okay, I'm backing up towards Scott. Let's stay back over here. Was more guys coming from the right, like 345.
Yep.
I got the shit flashed out of me.
Me too. I'm coming in a little bit. Oh shit.
Ooh,
Where'd you get sniped from?
Didn't see it.
That way, that direction.
Up the hill.
323.
Oh shit, we got a full squad rolling in behind you. Oh no!
Keep coming, Scott.
I'm getting down the hill. There was a squad coming in from behind you guys.
There's
Oh
Fred.
yeah, they're rolling over the hill now.
Give it up. Enemy more strike on the way.
14.
Backpacks down here. No. Fuck, I shouldn't have shot at him either. God damn it, there were so many people up there.
I think he saw you. That's Jailbreak.
Yeah, he did see it.